Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture, I will try to cover some important sets on set theory. That means in general, we will try to apply, that means in many of the cases, we will try to apply all those sets which are generally differ from the general sets. We know that sets are generally represented by the capital letters. So these sets are that I am going to explain are represented by the generally bold letters. Okay, but generally in case of our calculation or in case of our explanation, it is not possible. It is generally it will be difficult for writing in bold letters. Okay, then what we will do, we will try to represent in the another way. For example, the first one is natural number set. Natural number set to ki hoy actually counting numbers are known as natural number set. Generally the counting number starts from 1. Whenever you have to count something, then obviously you have to start with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So this is the natural number set, and natural number set is generally represented by the bold letter n. Actually, so that's why it is generally a little bit difficult for us to write down in bold letter form. So that's why we have used this symbol, and this is not I actually. To represent in bold letter form, we have written in like that. Okay. So this one is natural number set. All the counting numbers are there. How many terms are there? Infinite number of elements are there starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Generally, in case of any collection where the elements can be mentioned specifically, jibilak collection of element bilak specifically mention koribo pari, he collection bilak generally a tabular method likha jay. This one is nothing but a tabular method. So whole number set. Whole number means start with 0. All the natural numbers including 0 is known as whole number set. Generally whole number set is represented by the W symbol. But generally W symbol to ami belek set use represent koribor karone ami use koribo paru to have the difference between general W and whole number set or W. Then we will use this one symbol. Okay, this is not I. Actually, to represent in bold letter form, we will try to represent it by like that. So whole numbers means all the natural numbers including 0. Then in the next case, integer set. Integer set means it is generally represented by Z, capital letter Z, okay, and it is also represented by I. Integer means what? Integer set means natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. Natural numbers and their negatives. What is the negative of 1? Minus 1. Then it will be minus 2, minus 3 up to minus infinity, including 0. You can say that natural numbers and their natural numbers and their negatives including 0 is known as integers. In case of integers, natural numbers are there and their corresponding negative elements are there. Also 0 is also there in case of integer set. It is represented by the capital letter Z. And the next one is rational number. Rational number. So rational number set is generally represented by the Q. Okay, so rational numbers means what? Fraction of jiman bilak element ami likhibo paro. He bilak rational number boli jana jay. So remember that a number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q such that Q should not be equal to 0. Q keteo 0 hobo nwaribo. Denominator keteo 0 ahibo nwaribo. And Q should not be equal to 0. And remember that P and Q should be co-prime. Is co-prime. Co-prime mane kiswa? P and Q is co-prime. P and Q are co-primes actually. Co-prime means their common factor all 1 thakbo. Jeneke 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 1 by 3. Jibilak এহেতৰ দুইটাৰ কমন ফেক্টৰ কিমান হ'ব লাগিব 1 এতিয়া কোৱেশ্চনটা আহে যেনেকে 2 by 4 এটা ফ্ৰেকশন হয় কিন্তু আমি এহেতৰটো কোপ্ৰাইম হ'ব নোৱাৰে বিকজ দে আৰ ডু ইউ নো দে why they are not known as coprime because their common factor is 1 as well as 2 but after having the simplification what we have got 1 by 2 they are coprimes that means জিবিলাকৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কোপ্ৰাইম নহয় তাতো কিন্তু তোমালকে কোপ্ৰাইম বনাই ল'ব পাৰা আমি কনভার্ট কৰি দিব পাৰো so that's why he can rational number set contains all those fractions P by Q where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q should be coprimes. Coprime means whose common factor is 1. Okay, so next irrational number. So irrational number means what? Okay, this is represented by the capital letter T, irrational numbers, numbers which are not rational. Numbers which are not rational are known as irrational numbers. যিবিলাক number rational নহয়, যেনেকৈ square root is an irrational number. Okay, root 3, root 5 are all irrational numbers. যিবিলাক rational number নহয়. Okay, they can be expressed in the form of, okay, p by q no doubt, but p and q should be integers. p and q দুটা integer হ'ব লাগে, co-primes, and p, q belongs to z দুটা integer হ'ব লাগিব. Okay, they are not rational numbers. Rational numbers, to be rational numbers, p and q should be co-primes. That means they are also integers. So irrational numbers we have got. Next one is real number, the largest one. Real numbers, it one of most important also. Real number is capital letter. Okay, real number set is generally represented by a capital letter. Remember that already I have told মই তোমালোকক কৈছো যিবিলাক কালেকশনৰ এলিমেন্ট বিলাক স্পেসিফিকলি মেনশন কৰিব পৰা যায়. For example, counting numbers, whole numbers, integers, we can easily mention the elements one after other. 1, what is the next natural number? 2, what is the next natural number? 3, we can easily mention it. But real numbers means what? What is the next real number? All the numbers in our mathematical system is known as real numbers. We cannot mention real numbers one after the other. What is the next real number to 1? 1 or next real number to 1 or next number to key? If someone will ask the question like that, we cannot give the answer. 1 or next number to কোনবা কব 1.1, মই কম 1.01, কিছুমানে কব 1.0001, কিছুমানে কব 1.00001. 1 or next number to আমি real number to ক'ব নোৱাৰো. As you cannot mention the elements of the real number collection one after the other, এটাৰ পিছত এটা কৈ যেহেতু তোমালোকে স্পেসিফিকলি মেনশন কৰিব নোৱাৰা, সেইকাৰণে real number set is not represented by the tabular method. এনেকুৱা ধৰণে তাক ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিব নোৱাৰি. Similarly, rational number বিলাকো তোমালোকে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণে এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব নোৱাৰা. এইকাৰণে আমি ইয়াক কেনেকৈ লিখা যায় -infinity to +infinity. This is a representation. That means real number is represented in another way of set. Interval is the another representation of set. Ami yak interval form of represent korim -infinity to +infinity. This is a real number set. Okay. Then the positive integers. Or here you can say that irrational number means what? You can say that real number minus rational number. Real number khini par tumar ke je rational number khini otorai pelaba, whatever may be the new collection you will get, it is nothing but an irrational number. Real number minus rational number. Real number means all the numbers are there. Tapra kun khini otorai prothom rational numbers, that whatever the numbers will be left with us, it will be known as irrational numbers. So positive integer. So positive integer means what? Very simple, which is generally represented by the z plus. It is a set. Positive integers means integer collection to positive khini, obviously from 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Positive integer. This is nothing but the natural number. Negative integers. So z minus integer but negative. So obviously negative integers means -1, -2, -3 up to -infinity. So -1, -2, -3 up to -infinity. These are negative integers. Okay, so positive integers means nothing but the natural number set. Why we are not considering 0? 0 is neither positive nor negative. That's why 0 is not there in the positive integer set, neither in the negative integer set. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So in this way we can easily identify the corresponding sets. And another set is also there. It is not just but a complex number set. Complex number set. Till now you are not getting complex number set, the largest number of set. Jitu and kisman extra element thake which are not real, actually they are known as complex numbers. Complex number set, real numbers as well as the some another numbers or imaginary numbers are also there in that collection. Hekane mathematics atkoi dangor collection to complex number set bole jana jay. But we are discussing in real numbers only in general. So complex number discuss korile belek kotha mention koribo. In general we will discuss about the real numbers. Okay, so it is represented by generally this one C. Okay, this one is real number set. I hope you have got my point. Very simple topics are there. Natural number set, whole number set, integer set, rational number set, irrational numbers, real numbers over rational number remove korile. So real numbers, okay, it is another representation of set. Positive integer, negative integer, complex number, like that. All those sets we have got it. Thank you so much for watching the video.